Today we're going to be making beef short rib bites. Perfect for a game day snack. We're going to cook them up and then cube them at the end. They're going to be great. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, so we're using beef chuck short rib. If you're wondering what this cut of meat is, yes, it's almost like a dino, and honestly it's just as good. Super meaty, super marbleization, and it's very, very tender every time I make them. So I get mustard, and then I get my Texas blend from Killer Hogs. This is all you're gonna need. It has that salt, pepper, and garlic. So coat it real thick. Get your smoker ready. I'm gonna be smoking at 250 degrees on this, as you know, and I'm gonna go ahead and place them on one side of the smoker. I am making some other meats on here, but I'm only showing the beef today. All right, it's been about 3 hours, so we're gonna go ahead and check on our beef and check the internal temperature. So we're probing at around 165. This is a great temperature to pull it off and go ahead and wrap it and throw it back in there. Do me a favor at this point, go ahead and drop a comment if this is looking good and you would try it. All right, we have our beef short ribs here, and we're going to give them a little wrap. I'm just going to kind of put these together here so they're not falling off. We're going to keep this really simple, dude. I'm going to hit it with some olive oil just to give it a little moisture, nothing else. A little bit on top. We're going with aluminum foil. We really want these tender, so this is the way I'm going to do it. There's a method to the madness. Alright, so this is a nice little tight aluminum foil. It's perfect for these beef ribs. I'm going to throw them back into the smoker. We're going to cook these down for about another hour. Same temperature, 250. Alright, it's been about 4 hours. Had this one covered for one. We're going to do a temperature check. Probing at 201. These things look ready. Ooh. So I'm going to open up the top here and kind of let it cool down for a bit and then start taking them off one by one. So right here I'm going to be making 2 of them and cubing them up just for this video. So what you want to do with this is cube them up in about 1.5 inch cubes. So at this point they're very, very tender. You can do this and let it rest maybe like 10 minutes before you start slicing into it. If you don't have the time, it won't be the biggest deal. The meat is still tender, so go ahead and plate your food like I did. As you saw, the bone basically just comes off on its own. Nice smoke ring, good bark on this. The barbecue sauce I'm using is the Devil Spit. Super delicious, my favorite. All right, so who's gonna win the World Cup? Mexico, of course. Yeah, right. No, honestly, I'm thinking it's probably gonna be Argentina. That's gonna be my favorite, and Spain. But enough talking about the World Cup. Let's give these beef short rib bites, burnt ends, a try. Woo. Just look at that. These are absolutely fantastic. Make sure if you make these, don't cube them up until the end because they will dry out on you. If you cube them up before, ask me how I know. Man, these things are so good. Woo! Like and subscribe if you like this one.